he's still a little taller than you. Only because of that base. You guys are gargantuans. So we're all set up. I'll show you a quick setup here. So keeping all our architectural 3D rendering and stuff down here in this end. All our cards. Got John Graybeard 3D's card. My sister Amanda Rose Artistry. Yannick over at Lumitube. Ours, our architectural model. Then we start in with the designs. Then we got a bunch of casted goodies people have sent us. Of course, the grand piece. And then over here we actually have some you can scan and take you right to them on Gumroad. Largest business card ever. Look who's over here rolled up as we were setting up. I see an alien and I see a king and a prince. Look at that. What's up, people?